there and welcome back to Piano with Melanie. Today I'm going to show you 5 simple pop piano rhythms you can use on the piano. And if you sometimes feel stuck and you are always playing the same rhythms, this video will bring you some fresh new inspiration. But before we dive in, take a quick second to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy learning this way. So let's get started. Here is the chord progression we will use today. We have G minor, D minor, C major, and then we go back to G minor. And we will start with just the right hand playing G minor in root position. But look, here is the middle C and we will play it down here, okay? Then for the D minor, we go to D minor in second inversion. Then we go to C major, also in second inversion. And then we go back to G major in root position. And by the way, if you are still struggling to find your chords and inversions this quickly, make sure to check out my online course Modern Piano 1, because in this course I will show you a clear step-by-step method so that you can get faster with this and start creating beautiful melodies with simple patterns. You will find the link below in the video description. I would really love to see you there. But now let's go on and just repeat the right hand a few times. So let's do this again. G minor, D minor, then down to C major and back to G minor. And then you can do this again and again, yeah, just to see how good this already works. Okay, and now we will add the left hand, and here we will add the octaves in the bass. So we are going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And I think this is really sounding very nice because it is so deep. When we go back to this beautiful G minor, try it again. But now we come to the rhythm ideas. Okay, rhythm idea number 1 brings more movement into your chords. And we will play a little melodic line inside the chords. We are starting with the G minor triad. Here we are playing the 3 notes upwards. And then ring finger, middle finger, okay? Then same thing on the D minor, also the 3 notes upwards. Now ring finger, middle finger. Then on the C major, also 3 notes upwards. Ring finger, middle finger. And the last one again, which is G minor, the 3 notes upwards, and then ring finger, middle finger. And from the rhythm, we are doing this like this. We are playing on the 1, the whole chord, 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, and then on the next chord, 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, and... Okay, let's play this together with the left hand. 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, and 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 3 and 4, and 1. Wonderful! By the way, if you would like to have the sheet music and the rhythm patterns for today's video, you can download a free PDF. You will find the link below in the video description. Now let's have a look at pop rhythm number 2. The next rhythm is a very famous one, and in many pop songs this rhythm is used over and over again. And here we play the chords on beats 1, 2 and 4. Look, this would sound like this in the right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 together with the left hand. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay. I call this rhythm sometimes also 3-3-2 rhythm because you can also count it like this: 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. But it's up to you which one you prefer. Now rhythm pattern number 3. This one is based on rhythm number 2, but now we break the chords apart. Look, we start from the top to the bottom, then do this twice, and then one last time just the 2 top notes. Yeah? So 1 time down, 2nd time down, and 1 last time only the 2 top notes. So when we do this with the other chords, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and next one also from top to bottom twice, and then again the 2 top notes, and on the last chord the same. So let's practice this together. And try to give the pinky a little accent. Like this, you can really hear how this rhythm is related with the rhythm we had before, because you can really hear this 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 pattern. Let's go to rhythm pattern number 4. Here we split the chord. We will play the 2 top notes together, and then we alternate with the bottom note, with the thumb. Yeah? Like this. And this is such a classic and beautiful rhythm and works in any inversions of the chords. Look, we start on the G minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we go to D minor, and here we have another inversion, but no problem. We are taking the 2 top notes and then the thumb. Same thing on C major, and back to G minor, together with the left hand. C major, G minor, and so on. Now here comes pop rhythm number 5. We will add a tiny little rhythmic trick here. We change to the 2nd chord and to the last chord already on the 4 end of the previous bar. And that gives us a nice minimalistic groove. That means we won't play any longer 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. We will play 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and next one again on the 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, I will play it another time for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 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 3 and 4 and. I think this one has a very relaxed feeling, but it's not boring because we have this little trick with the 4 and. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found some new ideas to try out at your piano. And if you haven't already downloaded the free PDF with all the 5 rhythms, so go and check out the video description. There you will find a link to get the sheet music. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. There's lots more tips, rhythms and improvisation ideas waiting for you. And if you want to learn systematically how to find your chords and inversions much faster and how to play and improvise beautiful melodies with chords and patterns, then make sure to check out my online course, Modern Piano 1. You will find the link below in the video description. So see you in the next video, and until then, have fun, keep playing and stay creative.